Hi everyone, my name is Jason Matthew from We Can EduTech. So I learned Microsoft Excel many years ago. And even then I was not well versed in it. Fortunately for me, I've had a few Excel wizards on my team that I normally defer Excel tasks to. Unfortunately, that means that has exacerbated my lack of proficiency in Excel. So that is going to change starting today. I am going to dedicate a few hours a week learning Excel. And the best way to learn something is to also teach it. So I'm going to be creating videos on what I learn in Excel and upload them to YouTube. The plan is to upload at least one video every Tuesday. In addition to creating content, I'll be also creating challenge videos. And in these videos, I will show you the start, like the raw data, and then I'll show you the finished product. And you could pause the video, figure out how it's done, then try it on your own, and then you can play the video and see my solution. Maybe we did it the same way, or more likely, you even had a better way of doing it. And if you did, please share that in the comment section. Feel free to recommend any resources that you use to learn Excel, as well as any topics you would like to see me covered. I'm excited that you'll be going on this journey with me. So take care for now. We'll talk soon. Bye.